Struggling to manage your HR reporting efficiently? When HR and payroll data are spread across multiple sources, answering even simple business questions becomes time-consuming and uncertain. Is there a way to get reliable, actionable insights from SAP, without technical complexity? HR Reports is an SAP add-on designed to simplify and enhance HR and payroll reporting. How it works. With HR Reports, all reporting activities are managed from one single central screen. This unified workspace gives HR and payroll teams a complete and continuous overview of their reports. Fully integrated into SAP Query, it combines master data, organizational management, time evaluation, and payroll results in a single query. This makes it easy to produce headcount views, social balance sheets, or gender equality indicators into one unified report. HR Reports makes payroll cumulatives calculated by SAP Payroll immediately available for analysis. Users can dynamically accumulate results over multiple periods, from a few months to several years, without rebuilding reports. HR Reports allows indicators to be tracked across any time horizon, with up to 6 levels of temporal breakdown. Reports can be split daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, depending on the analysis needed. HR Reports provides clear and structured visibility into retroactive payroll calculations. Users can explore retro impacts using different analytical logics, allowing them to understand how past changes affect current and future results. HR Reports turns SAP HR and payroll data into one reliable, time-aware source of insight, ready for reporting, analysis, and decision-making. Looks interesting? Ask for demo now.